Oh yes, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you know we gotta slide them wings in on the schedule. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some air fry soy sauce wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings, vegetable oil, some dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, oyster sauce, white pepper, garlic powder, some Mirin Cooking Wine here, some sesame oil, honey, and we have some garlic salt there. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. The first step is combine all our ingredients into this dish right here. We're gonna start off with our oyster sauce, our honey, white pepper, garlic powder, our vegetable oil, our cooking wine, sesame oil, garlic salt, regular soy sauce, and our dark soy sauce. Now we're just gonna get this mixed up, well combined. All right, and this is what we have. So now all we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our chicken back over. We're gonna add our marinade, and we're gonna get those chicken pieces submerged in this marinade, just like this. And we're going to allow this to marinate in this bowl for about 30 minutes minimum. Now you can leave this overnight, the longer the better. I ain't got time for that today, so I'm gonna let it sit here for about at least 30 minutes to an hour, then we're gonna come back. All right, so now our chicken has been marinated for about an hour. We're at our air fryer. I'm gonna spray this with a little cooking spray right here. And I have an air fryer toaster oven, so with many different features, so this may not look like a typical air fryer, but we're gonna put this on air fryer mode. We're gonna start adding our chicken pieces. We're gonna cook these on 400 degrees for the first 10 minutes. We'll come back, flip them over, and do the other side for another 8 to 10 minutes, all right? All right, so we're 10 minutes in. Let's pull our wings out, and we're gonna start flipping these babies over. Push that back in here, set our timer to 10 minutes, and we're gonna cook them till they're cooked all the way through with an internal temperature of 165. All right, guys, it looks like we are done. Let's turn that baby off. Let's pull this out. Man, look at that right there. I hope they taste just as good as they look. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to our cutting board, get them plated up, because I don't think we need to do nothing else except plate them up and get into our final presentation and quality control. And there you have it, guys. Air fry soy sauce wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test, all right? Let's go. Yep, quality control time, bringing these wings to the front of the congregation. Oh man, take a look at them. Man, I seen one in that shot that I already want. It don't get no chicken wingier than that, man. Let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Oh man, Listen guys, perfect, a quick, very easy recipe. And if you don't marinate, you can do this in less than 30 minutes. These babies came out delicious. So definitely add these wings to your next recipe. So to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And yes, I am the wing king still. But remember, I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot and I'm out. Peace.